Yes, welcome. Alright, so in this video we're going to take a look at for loops with arrays. Make a simple template of the kind that you see here. I will paste some code and give a commenting out. Okay, so for loops are ideally suited for going through arrays because arrays are structures of the kind that, basically are one memory cell, one next to it, one next to it, one next to it, and so on, right? So you can loop through them very easily. So next what you're going to say is the following: console.writeLine will display a prompt to the user, assuming I remember how to spell the word right. Okay, so enter string and close with a semicolon. Alright, now string s equals and then console.readLine, like that. Alright, now what we're going to do is take our little string and we will characterize it. But characterized for me means not what it means normally. It means break it into individual characters, okay? So chr, and we'll store those characters in an array of type character. So s and char, like this, okay? S and char is my way of thinking in terms of s and character form, essentially, okay? And then you'll have here s.to character array as the function name. Alright, great. So next we'll have another prompt that says console.writeLine, and then you can say something like, here, number version of your string is, and then close that with a semicolon, like that. Alright, excellent. Now you're going to type the for loop. Type for inti equals 0. Okay, because remember the first index in the character is 0. Then you say I less than, and then s and char the length, and then I plus plus to keep looping through the memory locations. Alright, then next you will say here console.writeLine, and then int, and then s and char, and then access each entry there with the index, close that with a semicolon, and then type console.readLine, close that with a semicolon. Alright, there it is. Magnificent. Alright, so relatively easy code. Let's take a look at the effect. First we'll just do it without debugging at all. So enter some string. This is the best day of our lives. Hit enter. And notice that it gives us the number version of the string, because remember there's a mapping in computer languages between characters and integers. You see? There you go. So if you so that it looks like that, you see? That's the numerical version of the string. And that's it for this one. Of course, if you did want to, you can remove this, and maybe you want to show the user something like that. See now, break it into comma separated list, character by character. You can do that too. Just get rid of the int cast, the integer cast, and then start with that debugging here. So simple string. There you go. And in that case, because you may want to display it as a horizontal list, you might prefer the use of right, like that. I mean, the number of things you can do is, unlimited, obviously. There you go. Okay, and that is it. So enjoy, learn. You've seen here all of the essentials already. If I use debug and step into, just one time quickly. There you go. So simple string. There you go. Store it in S. There you go. Prompt. initialize, check condition, step into the body, display, increment, check condition, display, increment, check condition, and then repeat the loop. And as you can see, of course, I is growing until the condition fails at some point. And then that's it, the program finishes running, right? Alright, that's it. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in another video.